Welcome to the Goka Regional Championship. Today, we bring you the second contest from the Bono Ahafo Zone for the National Science and Maths Quiz, and this contest is featuring Akumfi Ameyaw Senior High Technical School, Goka Senior High Technical School, and Acherensua Senior High School. Let's welcome them. Representing Akumfi Ameyaw Senior High Technical School are
Nsmq
and
Ousu Christopher.
please, I'd like to know how far you've gone in your education, which year you are in. So when you mention your name, you tell me that one too. So go ahead.
So should I start with the name?
Oh, you just tell me your.
Okay, so I'm in Form 3.
And you are in?
Form 3.
Good, thank you. So Goka Senior High Technical School is represented by?
Acherensua Form 3.
And?
Mesha Kwejumalewa, final year.
Then from Acherensua Senior High School we have?
Adu Charles, final year.
And?
Ousu Wache Bright, final year.
So you are welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is the National Science and Maths Quiz Regional Zonal Championship for the Bono Ahafo Zone. And this championship is called the Goka Regional Championship and is proudly sponsored by GOEL with support from Joy News. This is a primetime production and my name is Mrs. Gladys Odeshinga. I'm your quiz mistress. So contestants, we have 4 rounds in this contest. Each round has its rules, but in all the rounds, you are going to answer questions from physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. You have 30 seconds to answer questions that involve calculations, and 10 for those that do not involve calculations. You have just 1 attempt at answering. When you give your answer, you cannot change it. In the first round, each school will get a question. You answer correctly for a maximum of 3 points. When you are wrong, another school may answer correctly for a bonus point. But when they are wrong, they will lose a point. So be sure of your answer before you attempt picking up a bonus point. When you are ready to pick up another school's question for a bonus point, allow them to finish answering. Let me determine their answer, whether it's right or wrong. Then you may ring. Or if they are not talking, leave them. They have a time span within which to give an answer. Leave them to give their answer or to think through their answer. If they still don't talk and the time goes on them, the timekeeper will ring the bell, and then you may also ring your bell to alert me that you'd want to pick up their questions. So I wish you all the best in this round. I'll be starting the round with Akumfi Ameyaw Senior High Technical School. Preamble to all schools for this first set. Solve for x and y from the given equations. Solve for x and y from the given equations. Akumfi Ameyaw. Log base 2 of 2x equals y plus 4. Then y equals 2 log base 2x. So 2 log base 2 of x. The bell went out before your hand came up. Goka Senior High Technical School. 2 log base 2 of y equals log base 2 of 3 plus log base 2 of x. 3 to the power y equals 9 to the power x. Yes, Akumfi Ameyaw for a bonus.
Okay. So x is equal to 0 when y is 0 and x is equal to
Your answer is wrong. Acherensua. Audience, please, as soon as I mention the next school, you allow me to continue. Thank you. Acherensua, y equals log base 4 of x. Y equals half multiplying 1 plus log base 4 of 16x. Your hand was up. Go ahead.
Y equals 3 and x equals 2.
I give you 1 out of 3. So Akumfi Ameyaw, your answer should have been x equals 1 over 8, y equals negative 6. Goka, your answer should have been x equals 3 over 4, y equals 3 over 2. Acherensua, you got your y equals 3, but you got your x wrongly. X is equal to 64. Preamble to all schools. What danger or dangers do the destruction of the mentioned habitat cause to humans? What are the dangers of the destruction of the mentioned habitat? So what dangers do the destruction of the mentioned habitat cause to humans? So Akumfi Ameyaw, your habitat is the nest of chimpanzees near a human habitat. Go ahead.
Okay. So when the nest of these chimpanzees is being destroyed, it will read to the science that these chimpanzees have to come to where the humans live. And when they come to where these humans live, they can cause danger to these humans by threatening them.
No, I won't take that. Goka. A forest with endangered plants. Acherensua, a habitat for wild cats close to human settlements?
Wild cats are dangerous animals. Hence, when their habitats are destroyed, this allows the animal to settle in the settlements of humans, causing dangers to the humans. Okay.
Okay, I won't take that. As for the dangers, they are all around. I wanted the specific dangers. So, for Akumfi Ameyaw, chimpanzees with their nest in trees may attack and abduct human babies who may be killed in retaliation. Goka, the plants, when destroyed, may be lost forever together with their useful properties. Acherensua, the cats may move out and prey on humans in the nearby settlements. Akumfi Ameyaw, find the kinetic energy of an object moving in a circle of radius 0.25 meters from the magnitude of the when the magnitude of the centripetal force on it is 68 newtons. Go ahead.
$9.8 joules.
That is incorrect. Goka, find the kinetic energy of an object moving in a circle of radius 0.40 meter when the magnitude of the centripetal force on it is 85 newtons. Go ahead.
340 joules.
That is incorrect. Akumfi Ameyaw.
17 joules.
That is correct. Acherensua, find the radius of the circle in which an object moves if its kinetic energy is 96 joules, when the magnitude of the centripetal force on it is 64 newtons. Go ahead.
3 meters.
That is correct. So your answer should have been 8.5 joules. Preamble to all schools. So you are the only school that did not get that one right. Yeah. Okay, so we go on to the next set, and there's a preamble to all schools. Give the molecular formula of the most likely compound formed between element Q and hydrogen. Given that, give the molecular formula of the most likely compound formed between element Q and hydrogen. Given that, Akumfi Ameyaw, Q is in group 2. Go ahead.
KOH2.
That is correct. Goka. Q is in group 17.
QH.
That is incorrect. Okay, Acherensua. Q is in group 15. Go ahead.
QH3.
That is correct. Goka, your answer should have been HQ. Preamble to all schools. Find the quadratic polynomial f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c, given that. Find the quadratic polynomial f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c, given that. Akumfi Ameyaw. F of 2 equals 7. F of 1 equals 4. F of 0 equals 5. Go ahead.
So it is given by
Give me your answer.
2x squared minus 3x plus 5.
That is correct. Goka. F of 1 equals 1. F of negative 1 equals negative 9. F of 0 equals negative 7. Akumfi Ameyaw for a bonus.
It is given by 3x
It's a bonus.
squared.
I'm not going to wait for you, so hurry up.
It is given by 3x squared plus 5x minus 7.
That is correct. Acherensua. F of 1 equals 6. F of negative 1 equals 10. F of 0 equals 3. Go ahead.
So we have 13s squared minus 15s plus 3.
That is incorrect. Akumfi Ameyaw.
5x squared minus 2x plus 3.
That is correct. A common one to all of you. When I get to you, give me your answer. Name one health challenge. Name one health challenge caused by the burning of fossil fuel. Name one health challenge caused by the burning of fossil fuel. Go Go ahead.
Okay, so one of the health challenges that when people breathe in this, when there is a burn of fossil
Just
fuel,
give me the health challenge.
okay, so it is pneumonia.
No. Goka.
It causes respiratory diseases to man.
I'll give you. Acherensua.
Causes skin irritation and lung cancer.
No. There are heart attacks, respiratory disorders that have been said, stroke, suffocation, cancer. Has also been linked to autism spectrum disorder and is linked to Alzheimer's disease. Yes, Acherensua, you've given your answer already.
Madam, I said cancer.
You gave me skin irritation, lung cancer.
Yes.
Which one am I to take?
Skin irritation should count. Skin irritation should count.
Find the magnitude, a preamble to all schools. Find the magnitude of the electric field, A, distance R, from the stationary charge, Q. Find the magnitude of the electric field, Find the magnitude of the electric field at distance R from the stationary charge Q. Find the magnitude of the electric field at distance R from the stationary charge Q. So Akumfi Ameyaw. Q equals negative 25 nanocoulomb. R equals 0.12 meter. Give me your answer. It's your question.
190 Newton per coulomb.
That is incorrect. Goka. Q equals 18 nanocoulomb. R equals 0.18 meter.
R is equal
Go ahead.
9.0 times 10 to the power 2 kilometer.
That is incorrect. Akumfi Ameyaw.
5.0 times 10 to the power 3 Newton per coulomb.
That is incorrect. Acherensua. Q equals negative 8.0 nanocoulomb. R equals 0.30 meter. Go ahead, it's your question.
800 volts per meter.
That is correct. Akumfi Ameyaw, your answer should have been 16 kilovolts per meter. Goka, your answer should have been 5.0 kilovolts per meter. And that's the end of the... Oh no. How come? We continue. Preamble to all schools. Give the name of one isomer of the compound C4H5Cl that contains a triple bond. For this one, they have 30 seconds to give an answer. Give the name of an isomer of the compound C4H5Cl that contains a triple bond. Akumfi Ameyaw. Go ahead.
3-chloro-1-butane.
That is correct. Goka.
2-chloro-1-butane.
That is incorrect. Acherensua.
1-chloro-butane.
That is incorrect. Acherensua, I'll give to you. So the others are 1-chloro-2-butane and 4-chloro-1-butane. That's the end of the first round. So I have two protests before me. The first one is I was laughing when I saw it, because I had asked for 2 values and I was given 1, and it's on my discretion to give partial points. I could decide you didn't give me the all 2 I was asking for, so I'm not giving you anything. I just decided to be generous to give 1. The school is demanding 2. Please, it's on my discretion, at my discretion. So please, you cannot demand that 1. I'm sorry. The second one. Okay, so that's from Akumfi Ameyaw for a bonus they were trying to pick up. And of course, in the heat of the moment, I'll just look at what I have. And so I spoke with the consultant. So I'll give to you. So a bonus point, they get a bonus point for that. Uncle, please come for you. So I confirm. Okay. So at the end of the first round, Goka Senior High Technical School had 3 points. Akumfi Ameyaw Senior High Technical School had 12 points. And Acherensua Senior High School had 13 points. We start the second round. In this round, we have what we call the speed race. So how fast you are will count here. I'm going to give a question to all 3 schools at a time, and you may even take turns in answering. If you are the first to answer correctly, you earn 3 points. When you are wrong, the second school answers correctly for 2 points. When they are wrong, the third school answers correctly for 1 point. Anytime you get it wrong, you lose a point. When you ring the bell and you don't answer, within 3 seconds, you lose a point. I take your answer wrongly given. So please, take note. We start with our speed race. The charge on a capacitor is 16 microcoulomb. When the voltage across it is 4.8 volts. Find the voltage across the capacitor at which the charge on it is 15 microcoulomb. Yes, Acherensua.
4.5 volts.
That is correct. Find the energy in electron volts of the photon emitted in the 2p to 1s transition of the hydrogen atom. Find the energy in electron volts of the photon emitted. Yes. Akumfi Ameyaw.
10.2 EV.
I'll give to you. Determine the angular frequency of an ideal LC oscillator with L equals 25 millihenry and C equals 16 millifarad. Yes, Acherensua.
5.0 by 10 to the power 4 radian per second.
That is incorrect. Akumfi Ameyaw.
50 rad per second.
That is correct. How many atoms? Listen, this round, if you don't keep quiet and I read, your contestant won't hear. It will go against everybody. How many atoms of carbon are present in 4.4 grams of propane? Take Avogadro's number as 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 per mole. Yes, Akumfi Ameyaw.
1.8 times 10 to the power 23 atoms of carbon.
That is incorrect. The rate law, the answer is 3.6 times 10 to the power 23 atoms. The rate law for a reaction between reactants A and B is given by the rate R equals K multiplying the square of the concentration of A multiplying the concentration of B. What is the equilibrium constant for a reaction in which the concentration of A equals the concentration of B equals 0.20 mole per decimeter cube and has a rate of 20 mole per decimeter cube second? Akumfi Ameyaw.
2.5 times 10 raised to the power 3 mole to the power -1 dm to the power 6 second to the power -1.
That is incorrect. They rang, it was out. So, what's wrong with yours is mole to the power -2, not -1. Which noble gas is the most widely used in car headlights? Yes, Akumfi Ameyaw.
Argon.
That is incorrect. Acherensua.
Neon.
That is incorrect. It's on the origin of species. What name is given to members of an arthropoda? What name is given to members of arthropoda with 6 legs? Yes, Akumfi Ameyaw.
Hexapods.
Hexapods, that is correct. What are wings in birds? They are limbs modified for flight. It was too simple, eh? Solve 2 cos x minus 1 equals 0 for the interval 0 less than x less than pi. Yes, Akumfi Ameyaw.
X is equal to pi over 3 radians.
Pi over 3?
Radians. That's pi on 3 radians.
No. Did anyone else ring? x equals pi on 3, no units attached. Find the interval on which f of x equals x cubed minus 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 is decreasing. Ameyaw.
Okay, so it is the set, that's S is such that negative 1 less than 3 less, negative 1 less than x.
I give to you. Find the inverse of the linear transformation xy mapping onto 2x plus 3y, then 3x plus 5y. Go ahead, Akumfi Ameyaw.
X minus 3y, and then minus 3x plus 2y.
I won't give to you. It's a transformation. So something has to map onto something. So xy mapping onto 5x minus 3y, then negative 3x plus 2y. However, you are getting the first one. I'm giving that one to you. And that's the end of the second round.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. So at the end, held on to their 3 points. Acherensua Senior High School now has 14 points. And Akumfi Ameyaw Senior High Technical School had 21 points. Two schools would like to make changes. Akumfi Ameyaw, those here, you may be going out very soon if you continued like this. Two schools would like to make changes.
So for Goka Senior High Technical School, Jathrona Achia is going out for Aaron Adomakonedu to come in, and for Acherensua Senior High School, Edu Charles is going out for Damwa Chairman Prince to come in. So thank you for being with us, Jathrona and Charles. I wish you the best in your future endeavors, especially in your upcoming WASI. You are welcome, Aaron and Prince. So, gentlemen, we continue straight away into the third round. In this round, each school is going to get a statement. You tell me whether your statement is true or false. When you are right, you earn 2 points. When you are wrong, you lose a point. You may decide not to answer at all. In that case, another school answers correctly for the 2 points, or they lose a point when they are wrong. When you are ready to pick up another school's statement, allow their time to run out. Then you ring the bell. I wish you all the best. I'm starting again with Akumfi Ameyaw. Are you ready? So we start. Barium nitrate is soluble in water.
True.
That is correct. Goka. Lead nitrate is soluble in water.
True.
That is correct. Acherensua. Magnesium chloride is soluble in water.
True.
That is correct. Preamble for the next set, and it reads, if the sum of the interior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees, then it is if the sum of the interior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees, then it is a Akumfi Ameyaw square.
False.
That is correct. Goka. Trapezium.
False.
That is correct. Acherensua. Kite.
False.
That is correct. Preamble to all schools. Point charge Q moves with speed V in a circle of radius R, Akumfi Ameyaw. The motion of the charge is equivalent to an electric current QV squared over R.
False.
That is correct. Goka. The motion of the charge is equivalent to an electric current QV over R.
True.
That is incorrect. Acherensua. The motion of the charge is equivalent to an electric current QVR.
False.
That is correct. Akumfi Ameyaw. Taxonomy is limited to angiosperms.
False.
That is correct. Goka. Taxonomy is systematics.
True.
That is incorrect. Acherensua. Taxonomy and systematics are subsets of each other.
True.
That is incorrect. Noble gases, preamble to all schools. Noble gases generally have low boiling points noble gases usually have low boiling points due to Akumfi Ameyaw, weak ionization potentials.
False.
That is correct. Goka, completely filled outermost shells.
It's false.
That is correct. Acherensua, location on the periodic table.
False.
That is correct. Adding two polynomials of degrees 2 and 3 gives a polynomial of degree 5. Akumfi Ameyaw.
False.
That is correct. Goka, multiplying two polynomials of degrees 3 and 4 gives a polynomial of degree 12.
True.
That is incorrect. Acherensua, when a cubic polynomial is divided by a quadratic, the remainder is a constant.
False.
That is correct. Preamble to all schools. A 100 Newton box on a rough horizontal surface is pulled by a 100 Newton force inclined to the horizontal at 30 degrees. Akumfi Ameyaw, the magnitude of the normal force on the box is 100 newtons.
False.
That is correct. Goka, the magnitude of the normal force on the box is 150 newtons.
False.
That is correct. Acherensua, the magnitude of the normal force on the box is greater than 100 newton, but less than 200 newtons.
False.
That is correct. Last set for this round. Bryophytes are vascular plants, Akumfi Ameyaw.
False.
That is incorrect. Goka, bryophytes need continuous supply of water.
True.
That is incorrect. Acherensua, bryophytes could have antimicrobial properties.
False.
That is incorrect. The way you smiled at me and said false, I knew you were just guessing. So that's the end of the third round. Contestants, you are not under any circumstance to communicate with anyone down there. I have told you, if there's an issue, your teachers will take care of it. Thank you.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy.
Schools, when you are bringing challenges, please know exactly what you are challenging. Don't just come and challenge. However, the contestants actually spoke with me and bryophytes are not vascular plants. So they are right. So they get +3. So at the end of the third round, these are the scores. Goka Senior High Technical School had 7 points. Acherensua Senior High School had 24 points. And Akumfi Ameyaw Senior High Technical School had 37 points. Contestants, relax now. All the calculations are over. Now you just have to listen to me and then give me a solution. Riddle. This round we have 4 riddles, each one coming to all of you at the same time. I'm going to give you clues to help you solve the riddle. And you may take turns in answering too. If you're able to answer on the first clue, you earn 5 points. Second clue, 4 points. Third, to the very last one, 3 points. When you ring your bell to give me the solution and you are not successful, you sit out of competition for that particular riddle. If there is any after that, you may join us. If not, we call it a day. So we start with our first riddle. I'm a particle. I'm electrically neutral. My mass is very slightly larger than the photon mass. Akumfi Ameyaw.
Okay, so you are the gamma ray.
I'm not gamma ray. I am composed of 2 particles, one of which is negatively charged. I'm the progenitor of such spectral series as Lyman, Boson, and so on. Who am I? Acherensua.
Electron.
No, please. Yes, Goka.
Neutron.
No, please. How can I be electron or neutron or gamma ray when I'm composed of 2 particles? I'm hydrogen atom. I'm a hard and brittle metalloid that has been widely used for centuries. My sulfide mineral was once used as mascara centuries ago. Naturally, I have poor heat and electrical conductivities. My current usage includes making semiconductor devices and in alloys. I'm never found in my pure form, hence my Greek name, Stibium. Yes, Akumfi Ameyaw.
You are antimony.
Yes, I'm antimony. And just for education, stibium means not alone. I am one of the plant hormones. I promote non-responsiveness in plant propagules. I'm responsible for leaf falls. Who am I? Acherensua.
Tannins. Tannins.
No, please. I'm abscisic acid. I'm a 2-digit number. I'm a prime number. The sum of my digits is a digit cube. When my digits are reversed, the number formed. Yes, Goka.
27.
That is incorrect. The number formed is still a prime. The absolute difference of my digits is half a dozen. I'm between 10 and 20. Who am I? Yes, Akumfi Ameyaw.
17.
That is correct. That's the end of our contest. Our contest has ended. And these are the scores. Goka Senior High Technical School had 7 points. Acherensua Senior High School had 24 points. So Goka and Acherensua Senior High School, unfortunately, you are done in this regional championship or zonal championship. I wish you the best in your future endeavors, especially your upcoming WASI. Please, go and write and pass with flying colors. I wish you all the best. Akumfi Ameyaw Senior High Technical School, congratulations to you. You won the contest with 43 points. And so you have qualified to the next stage of competition. See you there. I'm really happy with your scores, at least. You have scored the highest so far today. Here, actually. So, congratulations to you. For joining us. It's a primetime production. Thank you and see you in our next contest. Bye for now.